What's up? We're Black Cat Parade, and this is our song, Passing Lane. I'm in the passing lane, going slow. You and that half moonlight, singing low. What's coming out of your mouth, I don't know, but I know that I love you most when I drive you home. Self-ordered house arrest because of you. I'm sitting on the warehouse floor, feeling blue. The closer I get to you, the more my phone doesn't ring. Instead I can pick and choose. That's the thing. All I ever want is for you to know everything we should have talked about months ago. And I wanna back out now, but I should have crossed my fingers when I held your hand. Everything we should have talked about months ago. And I wanna back out now, but I should have crossed my fingers when I held your hand. Oh, in my Edward, duh. You kidding me? What are we talking about here? You shitting me?